Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to be zero gapping and cleaning our Wahl magic clips. You're going to want to start by removing the 2 screws located on the blade. Once you take those off, you're going to want to remove the screw that's holding the lever in place. So as you guys can see, I've already removed the 2 screws located at the bottom of the clipper. You're going to want to just take those out. To take this piece off, you're going to want to put your thumb where I put it on the clipper, and you're going to push down and then push up. You're going to want to grab something to pry these 2 pieces apart. I grabbed just a normal tool and I just pried it right apart, and it might be hard at first and you want to be careful so you don't break anything. Now I'll grab just a small brush to get in between the battery, and just to take out all those hairs that are located inside the clipper. Alright guys, so now we're going to get into cleaning the blades. I have some Andis Cool Care, and it's just a normal bowl, and I'm just going to spray a little bit in there just so the blades can sit inside the solution, and that's pretty much it. So the reason you see me put the blades and the screws in there is just to prevent them from rusting. And you're going to want to just let them sit in there for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now it's time to take everything out. You're going to want to get a rag and just wipe down everything. As you guys can see on the battery cover, there's two little inserts that insert into the actual clipper, as I'm showing here. and make sure you just have those in before you put the screw in. Just in case you guys forgot, it's going to be a small screw with a flat head on it. You're going to want to just screw that right in. For the bottom screws, there's going to be 2 screws that are identical. Now it's time to put this piece on. You guys are going to want to slide it right in and match it up with the circle for the screw. As I'm screwing the screw in, you're going to see on the lever there's going to be a little stub to it, and it's going to go right into that piece that you slid in before. Just make sure that you're holding it while you're screwing it in. So I have the screws loose so I can adjust the blade, and while I'm doing this I do have the lever closed. So I tighten the screws just a little bit so I can still move the blade and I can still set it to where I want it to be. So when you're doing this, guys, you guys are going to want to make sure that you leave a little tiny bit of space, because if you put it too close, you're going to be nicking your clients, you're going to be nicking the kids. You don't want to do that, guys. You guys want to have it flush, but you want to have a little bit of space. On the extra step that I do when I clean my clippers, I spray some more Andis Cool Care with the machine on. So I put this blade protector on my clipper just in case my clipper falls, it's not going to chip or crack. If you guys like this video, please leave a like down below, subscribe to the channel, and there'll be more videos on the way.
I let the money dance, the diamond blings all by itself without any help. So that means it shine on its own without any gold. I've been the king without any throne.